Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the basics so you fix sound quickly. First, flip the mute switch and raise volume to around 70%. Some games ignore low volume. Next, make sure Do Not Disturb and Silent Mode aren't routing audio away from speakers. Also check Bluetooth. If paired, sound can go to headphones or a speaker. Finally, force quit the game and relaunch. Once done, restart the iPhone if audio still fails to reinitialize system sound drivers. You now dive into app level and system settings to isolate the issue. Open the game settings and toggle sound, music, and voice options off and on to reset internal audio. Then swipe into Control Center and confirm the audio output is iPhone speaker, not AirPlay or Bluetooth. Make sure the app has microphone permission if it uses sound chat. If the problem persists, update the game and iOS. If updates don't help, uninstall and reinstall the game to clear corrupted audio files. You finish with advanced steps and a practical troubleshooting tip. If software fixes fail, back up and choose Reset All Settings to restore audio-related preferences without erasing data. This often recovers odd system audio routing. Test sound in multiple apps and plug in headphones to check for speaker hardware issues. If audio works elsewhere, the game may be at fault. If not, contact Apple support or the game developer with crash or console logs. Tip: record a short screen video showing the issue before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.